Cooking with Kyler.
Today we're making devils on horseback.
Traditionally, you would put, I think they were made with mango chutney. You could add almonds. I've seen smoked almonds. I can't eat nuts. I wouldn't do that anyway. And we like the cheese idea.
Let's make devils on horseback.
All right. I'm going to surgically open one half up. You're gonna take a crumble of cheese, break it up. Since these are in slices, we're gonna break it up. Take a pinch full. That looks good. And the dates are sticky, so it should seal itself. Plus the bacon, once it's wrapped around, will be nice.
Finger food filled with protein and fiber.
We're gonna cut each slice of bacon in half. So we pre-cooked this bacon, by the way.
I like bacon because of the fat and the grease.
Just at the bottom, I'm gonna go through. So now it locks it. Great. Let's both smell this. Come here. Wait.
Clean kitchen is a happy kitchen.
All right, here we go.
Oh.
And
Gee.
you smell that, ladies and gentlemen? Boys and girls, don't touch, it's hot.
I have the force. Ooh, I had a penny in my pocket.
You know a penny saved is not much.
Oh.
Oh yeah, come on. Do you see what we're doing here? Do you see what we're doing?
This
I
is
like these Christmas pieces. Whoa, whoa. I think this could be become a tradition to make around Christmas now. It's not even Christmas. Pop them right in. So good.
how.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Okay. Make sure you share this video with all your friends. Try making this at home. Be inspired.
Get creative and include the
kids. It's actually sweet, too.
You know, I just want the bacon really bad.
So today we're making
Devils on horseback.
cooking. All right.